What's up, traders? I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're making some money out of the signal I've sent yesterday. Let's start with Euro USD, the signal I've sent yesterday. First of all, if you have taken this trade, then congratulations, you have made some money out of it. As you can see, the market is now about to hit our TP, already 95% into our profit and towards TP, so I'll take this position as a win. The market went all the way up to this level and our stop loss was here. I got messages from few traders that shall I cut my position, the market is going other way around, but that's the power of that's the power of calculating stop losses. So when we calculate stop loss, we calculate with ATR, which is here. So ATR checks market volatility for us, and with that we can calculate the stop loss. And here our TP has been hit already while I'm making this video. Congratulations guys, we got our full TP hit. So when we calculate our ATR, it calculates the market volatility, and then it gives us a calculation. So I'll tell you roughly how I calculate the stop losses and target, but I'll make a proper separate video on that. So let's go back in a replay mode and cut it here. So this was my entry candle here, and I placed my position tool here right below. If you are selling the market, then you need to place this position just right below this candle here. And from the lower wick of this candle, here you can see the calculation coming up as 13 here. This candle is around like 13 pip, and plus the ATR was coming 18. So 18 plus 13, you can calculate, which comes up as 31. So let's go down on 31. But I always keep like a margin of 3 or 4 pips. So 36 I do here, and 36 stop loss. And let's play the market here. So this is how I calculate my stop loss. I'll make a proper video on it as well, how to take targets and everything. So right now we have our TP hit on this position, and let's go and jump onto natural gas quickly. Right, so natural gas is right now in a downtrend. It's below 20 and 50 EMAs. In my previous video, I've given you a buy signal. I've given you a sell signal on a 1 hour time frame, but unfortunately the market opened in the gap, so we couldn't take that trade. But right now, what to expect from natural gas? As always, always take your entries when we have a condition met. Otherwise you'll just end up going here and there in the market and just placing your position, cutting off, and just getting panic. There's no point of taking position anywhere else in the market. Just wait for the right point and then enter the market. So right now we are here in this zone, and right here is this zone, this level here, which is 4.789. It's a major level of support, which was previously a major level of resistance, which was also a weekly level of resistance, a very strong level. Let me show you quickly. Here we are on a weekly time frame. Right now the market is here. So if you go back and see here, right here, we are on a weekly level right now. So I believe, let's go back in 4 hour time frame. So I believe this level will act as a level of support again. So in order to take buy entries, wait for the candle, come back to this level, make this move, come back here again, and wait for an engulfer double bottom entry. So when we reach to this level, when we have a confirmation of a double bottom entry, I'll keep you guys updated with that as well, and then we'll enter a long trade towards whatever the TP will be, which I've just explained in the start. So calculate the TP, and if you want to take a sell trade, if the market, like let's say if the market go back up towards this level and give us an engulfer entry, or give us a double top entry, retest, engulfer, and then back towards this level here. So these are the two conditions we are still waiting for the market to go to. And right now, I think the market will resist this level here. If it breaks below this level, if it breaks below this level, comes up here and the candle closes here, and then we'll trade for the trend continuation, and we'll take a short trades from here again um, towards next level here. So right now, I just told you guys both conditions. Wait for the market to give us an entry condition, and then we enter the trade. So, so I'll keep you guys updated with every single move of natural gas. I'm uploading a video every single day for you guys, so don't forget to hit the like button for me. It helps me in the YouTube algorithm. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. Now we have an entry condition. I'll give you guys a shout. Let's go and quickly check silver. Right here. If you remember, guys, we have taken two trades of silver throughout the week, throughout the last week, throughout this week. And first we had the first one, we had a short position here. I still remember we had a short position here. That was this entry. We had over this we had this TP hit, and then we were waiting for the buy, waiting for this condition with a double bottom condition to form, and which we took successfully. So we had one and two successful trades. We had a sell entry and we had a buy trade here, and we ended up making some good money out of these trades. So right now, what to expect from silver? So here you can see the market is resisting this level, which is 50 EMA here, and which is a level of support as well. So I won't be entering any trade unless the market breaks above this level, retest, and give us an engulfer entry, or give us a double bottom entry towards next level. Right now the market is nowhere. We already took a position here, already took a profit here, so I'm not entering in this zone again. Whenever we take a trade on one zone, there's no point taking a trade on this zone, on that zone again, at the same time, or in a couple of days. So just it will more likely to break above this level, or it will more likely to break down towards the next level of support, which is here, or we can get another entry after it come back down here, which is less likely. But let's keep an eye on these levels. So there is no trade on silver as of yet. So let's quickly check gold now. So if you see gold here, that's a 4-hour anchor, that's a 4-hour support, and that's a daily level of that's a 4-hour resistance, and that's a daily level of resistance right above it. We took this gold trade. If you remember, we took this double bottom trade a couple of days ago. I'll put the link up there if you want to see that video as well. So we took a successful trade on gold and silver both, and we made some good money last week. If we are looking at the anchor resistance on 4 hours, then we're gonna look for trades on 1 hour. Always just short one time frame down. So on gold, here you can see we have a nice double top condition, and we missed this entry, unfortunately. So we have this big long swing high red candle. I can still see the market with the bearish pressure, with this bearish pressure. I can still see the market go all the way down towards this level, which is 1756, or it can also go down towards this level for 1745. But right now we can still look the market to go towards 1756. So that's what I'm seeing right now, and then we'll be looking for another engulfer trade from this level, or we'll be looking for a double bottom trade if we get an entry condition at this level, or if we get an entry condition from this level. This video is getting quite long, guys, so I'm going to finish it quickly. So I just want to give you a quick overview about the market and commodities here. If you have any questions, as always, leave a comment down below, or you can always send a message to me on Instagram. Make sure you turn on your notifications so that you won't miss any update from me. Sometime when we have an entry condition, I upload the video straight away. So just make sure you keep your notifications on. If you are getting a value out of my videos, then please hit a like button for me, and also subscribe to my channel. So I hope you trade green rest of the week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.